Galing ng boses talaga.
You know I'll never go as long as I know.
What's up mga boss? So welcome back to my YouTube channel, no? So for today's vlog, samahan niyo akong i-react itong Antidote Band. So pangalan ng YouTube channel nila is G-Heart Music. So na-miss lang ako sa boss ni Kuya mga bossing dahil talagang kaboses na si Bryan Adams. So kinover nila yung kanta na Straight from the Heart. So pangalan nga pala ng vocalista ng Antidote Band is Jay. So yun ang pagkakatanda ko, hindi ako nagkakamali ha. Jay yung pangalan ng vocalista nila. So sana suportahan po natin ang Antidote Band dahil napakaganda po ng boses nito, si Mr. J. So i-visit nyo po ang channel nila, marami po silang cover song doon. Dahil ang boss nito mga bossing talagang kung pakikinggan nyo lang talagang parang original lang na si Bryan Adams. But anyway, kung bago ka lang sa aking YouTube channel, huwag kalimutan i-subscribe at i-hit ang notification bell para updated ka lagi sa bawat vlog na ina-upload ko dito sa aking YouTube channel. So, hindi natin patatagalin to. Let's go!
I can start dreaming but it never ends.
Panis.
As long as you're gone, we may as well pretend I've been dreaming.
Galing.
Straight from the heart. You say it easy, but who's to say that we were able to keep it this way? But it's easier coming straight from the heart.
Galing ng boss ni Sir J.
I know I'll never go as long as I know it's coming straight from the heart.
Ito pala yung Bryan Adams from Mindanao.
I see you on the streets another time.
Mga Bisaya ng mga bossing.
And all the words would just fall out of line while we're dreaming.
Mga kapwa ko Bisaya, so shout out nga pala.
Straight from the heart.
At syempre sa lahat ng mga subscribers natin, shout out po sa inyo lahat.
Oh, give it to me straight from the heart. Tell me we can make one more start. You know I'll never go as long as I know it's coming straight from the heart.
Huwag po natin kalimutan, isuportahan po natin ng G-Heart Music channel mga bossing, Antidote Band. Check my description box, lalagay ko po yung YouTube channel nila. Galing ng boses talaga.
You know I'll never go as long as I know you give it to me now. Straight from the heart. Tell me we can make one more start.
Lupit.
You know I'll never go as long as I know it's coming straight from the heart. Give it to me. Oh no, oh no, straight from the heart. You know I'll never go as long as I know it's coming straight from the heart.
So ayun mga bossing, grabe. Ang lupit talaga ng boses ni Sir J. So supportahan natin mga bossing yung Antidote Band from Mindanao. So pangalan ng YouTube channel nila is G Heart Music. So supportahan po natin. I-visit nyo po ang kanilang channel dahil marami pa silang cover song na mas malupit pa doon. So sana wag nyo pong kalimutan ay subscribe din ang ating YouTube channel at i-hit na rin yung notification bell para updated ka lagi sa bawat vlog na ina-upload ko sa aking YouTube channel. No? So sana nagustuhan nyo ang ating reaction video ngayon. Wag ka sana kalimutan i-like at i-share para i-recommend pa ni YouTube sa mga hindi pa nakakapanood. So, Antidote Band, wag pong kalimutan, napaka-amis talaga ng boss ni Sir J. So, anyway, first time ko palang mag-react nito kay G Heart Music dahil nakita ko lang duman lang sa timeline ng YouTube ko. Sabi ko, napakaganda pala ng boss nitong vocalista na ito. Tsaka marami silang cover song doon na pwede nyo pang mapanood mga bossing. Sigurado ako magugustuhan na itong mga cover song nila. So hanggang dito na lang muna ang ating vlog. At sana nagustuhan nyo po. At maraming salamat po sa panonood. And see you on my next reaction video.